The grammar you really need. Don't learn everything. Learn what you need. When people hear the word grammar, many of them feel nervous. They imagine long rules, difficult definitions, and hundreds of exercises. But you don't need to memorize every grammar rule before you can speak English. You need to understand the basic patterns that help you make clear sentences. Think of grammar as a tool. You don't need to know every tool in a toolbox. You only need to know how to use the tools you actually need. Let's learn them step by step. 1. Subject plus verb. The simplest English sentences can start with a subject and a verb. Subject plus verb examples: I work, she smiles, they play, we study, he runs. These sentences are short, but they are complete. Practice make 5 sentences using I plus verb. Example: I work, I study, I walk. 2. Subject plus verb plus object. This is one of the most useful sentence patterns in English. Subject plus verb plus object. Examples: I drink water, she reads books, we watch movies, they play cricket, he likes music. Once you understand this pattern, you can create hundreds of simple sentences. 3. Use am, is, are. We use am, is, and are to talk about people, things, feelings, and situations. I am happy, I am ready, I am tired. He, she, it, is. He is busy. She is happy, it is cold. You, we, they are. You are right. We are ready. They are students. Easy trick. I am. He, she, it, is. You, we, they are. Remember this pattern. 4. Use do and does. We often use do and does when making questions and negative sentences in the simple present. Do, I, you, we, they. Do you like tea? Do they work here? I don't like coffee. They don't play cricket. Does, he, she, it. Does she speak English? Does he live here? She doesn't like coffee. He doesn't play cricket. Remember, after does, doesn't, use the basic verb. Mocking. She doesn't like tea. Does. She doesn't like tea. 5. Use have and has. We use have and has to talk about possession and some experiences. Have. I, you, we, they. I have a phone. We have a car. They have a house. Has. He, she, it. She has a book. He has a new phone. It has 4 legs. Easy trick. I, you, we, they. Have. He, she, it. Has. 6. Make questions. Learning to ask questions is essential for speaking. Start with simple question words. What, kya, where, kaha, when, kab, why, kyau, who, kong, how, kaise. Examples: what do you do? Where do you live? When will you come? Why are you late? Who is she? How are you? 7. Make negative sentences. You also need to know how to say nahi. Examples: I don't know. I don't understand. I don't like it. She doesn't work here. He isn't ready. They aren't busy. These sentences are extremely useful in everyday conversations. 8. Use can. Can is one of the most useful words in spoken English. We use it to talk about ability, permission, or requests. Examples: I can swim. I can help you. Can you help me? Can I come in? Can I ask a question? Remember, after can, use the basic form of the verb. I can speaks English is incorrect. I can speak English is correct. 9. Use will. We use will to talk about future actions, decisions, or promises. Examples: I will call you. I will help you. I will come tomorrow. She will meet us later. They will learn English. Again, use the basic verb after will. I will goes is incorrect. I will go is correct. 10. Learn the basic tense patterns. You don't need to memorize all 12 tenses in one day. First, understand these 3 basic ideas. Present, I work every day. मैं हर दिन काम करती हूँ. Past, I worked yesterday. मैंने कल काम किया. Future, I will work tomorrow. मैं कल काम करूँगी. Later in this book, we will study all 12 tenses step by step. A simple speaking formula. When you don't know what to say, start with I plus verb plus object. Examples: I need help. I want water. I like music. I need a break. I want to learn English. This simple pattern can help you create many sentences. Don't make grammar your enemy. Grammar is not something you should fear. You don't have to speak perfect English before you start speaking. Start with simple sentences. Make mistakes, correct them, try again. That is how real improvement happens. Your 10-minute grammar practice. Minute 1 to 2, read 5 sentences aloud. Minute 3 to 4, change the sentences. Example: I drink tea. I drink coffee. I drink water. Minute 5 to 7. Make 5 sentences about yourself. Minute 8 to 10. Speak without looking at the page. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Quick revision. Remember these patterns. I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. I, you, we, they have. He, she, it has. I, you, we, they do. He, she, it does. Can verb, will verb. These small patterns will become the building blocks of your spoken English. 5 challenge. Write and speak 5 sentences about yourself. 5 questions for a friend. 5 negative sentences. 5 sentences using can. Then read all 20 sentences aloud. Remember, you don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You need useful grammar plus regular practice. In the next video, we will take one of the most important parts of English grammar, the 12 tenses, and make them simple enough to use in real conversations.